I'm Kristen Brackett, your Usborne Books and More consultant. You can find me on Facebook and YouTube at Kristen Knows Usborne Books. This is Bears Don't Read. Once upon a time, there was a large brown bear who found a book lying under a tree. Some great illustrations. Bears Don't Read